Friends, welcome back to the Vine video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk with Bluetooth headphone forget setting. Friends guys, how to forget Bluetooth headphone to our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to forget guys your Bluetooth headphone to your phone. So friends, how can you forget? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon like my video guys. So first of all we will on our phone setting to forget our Bluetooth headphone. After on phone setting, guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on your more connection setting, guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see your Bluetooth setting. Click here. Friends, you can see guys, this Paytone company Bluetooth headphone, guys, we have connected, and guys, we want to forget this device. We don't want to use. So, guys, right side tap here. Friends, you can see this icon, guys. Tap here. Friends, you want to change guys this device name, Bluetooth headphone device name, guys. You can change from here. You can rename. But guys, we want to forget. So, guys, tap here to forget this device. So it will forget to our phone, guys. We cannot use. We will off it. So like that guys, if you want to forget your Bluetooth headphones, so you can forget. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.